Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a list of bullet points in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to add a list of bullet points on, click on Edit Website. Now, this is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and let's say that I want to add a list of bullet points here above each of these photos. So first, what I will do, I will adjust the section height like this, then select all of those elements, place them here, and then I will add a text element from this elements tab or slide, then drag and drop this text element like this, then double click this default text to select it. Now I will change the text style from heading to paragraph 1 like this, and then I will write for example, then I will make sure to select all text, and here click on list. Here you can either make a bullet point with dots or a numbered list. So I will go with bullet points like this, as you see the first line of text. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Here you can either make a bullet point with dots or a numbered list. So I will go with bullet points like this, as you see the first line of text now uses a bullet point. Then I will place the mouse cursor at the end and hit enter on my keyboard, just like this, and I can add my second line, then third line like this. Now make sure to resize it like this and place it where I want it to be. Of course, you can edit the line height between those bullet points lines. Select all text, click on more options, and here you can adjust the line height. And of course, you can duplicate this bullet list for easy bullet points creation. I will duplicate also this and place it here. Now let's place this here, and don't forget to update your website to publish your new bullet points. Now let's view our list of bullet points live, and this is how they look live. And this is how to add a list of bullet points in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.